What's going on, guys? Big Joe back in with another video, and today I have my WL Toys car, which I will be upgrading with this new Hobbywing ESC. So I've had this WL Toys car for around about 2 years now, and I've never really had any problems with it up until about a month ago. Now, I absolutely love this car, and I want it to work again, so what I'm doing today is replacing the ESC. Why? Because something's wrong over here. It definitely could still be the motor, but I'm thinking it's the ESC considering the controller also doesn't work. So, in that case, I got one of these Dumbo RC receivers, and I will be pairing it up with my Dumbo RC controller. One of the main problems I'm going to be facing is spacing, because that's a small ESC and there's really no space for it. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to have to try and put something over here, but who knows? We'll figure this out. But first of all, let's take everything out that does not need to be there. So let's start with the ESC, and we'll go from there. With my very limited space, I think I'm going to set it up something like this, but let's actually make sure that this thing works first, and I got to switch off that connector. Okay, so a new day on this, because I had a few things go wrong. First thing, this servo, which I thought I was going to keep, it has a different connector, so I cannot actually connect it into this Dumbo receiver, so that has to go. Next thing, this motor, the stock motor, hey, decided, good idea. Let's blow up. And so now this thing does not work anymore. So servo-wise, replacing it with a new Savox servo. Really excited to put that in. And I'm just going to put it in a standard Titan 12 turn. Okay, another problem with the problem build is that this gearing inside is way too tight, and I just burnt out another ESC. Great.
Yay.
So actually this video is just going to be an update because I need help. I need help with this interior system. I need help finding a gear ratio that actually works. Seamus on his own is going to work, but I will genuinely listen to any suggestions in the comments. So please help me out. I want to get this project done with so I can get this thing out and driving. So for today's video, that is going to be all. Please help me out. I'll get you guys with another update relatively soon, probably on Instagram, maybe X. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.